been when I was living in Alberta, Canada. Good to hear you. I'll give you a report on the next over there. I was typing in your call, and I didn't look at the radio, but Delta Radio, Victor Ocean 1, Sugar Delta Seer. Okay, very fine, very fine. Yeah, we're getting upwards to about 20 degrees this way ourselves, and the had some rain yesterday and kind of a drizzly old day first out, and then it changed over to a nice bright sunny. I'm just taking advantage of a couple of hours of radio here this morning because I head back to work tomorrow. Well, I'll be heading out tonight and starting a long journey tomorrow where I'll be over almost 42 years, and I'll be loading in St. John's, Newfoundland, and heading
up Alpha 3 Echo X3 Bravo 59. 73 Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up. Delta Golf 2 Mike November for the build 59. 73 Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up.
Sierra Papa 9 Kilo Lima Mike.
Delta Lima Mike, give me your call.
Sierra Papa 9 Kilo Lima Mike.
Sierra Papa 9 Kilo Lima Mike, you're 57.
Yeah, Roger, thanks for 57, you're also 58, 5 by 8, 73, thank you, bye-bye.
Thanks, Lucas. Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up. Papa Alpha 9. EA9MB, you're also 5973, Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up. Papa Alpha 4 Echo November 10 over 9. 73 Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up. True Echo 0 November. 73 George Echo Bravo 1 Delta Judy up. Where's that Foxtrot?
It doesn't matter where you go up and down the band, the gain always stays the same. Unlike, especially some of these trap Yagis that have, a couple of traps on them. So I think this was the best compromise, and I've had very, very good luck with it. Great antenna, and maybe it's something you might want to check out. Again, the name of the company is Papa Romeo Oscar Sierra Italy Sierra Tango Echo Lima. Again, Papa Romeo Oscar Sierra November Yankee 2 Papa Oscar.
73, bye-bye. This is India 2, Charlie, special call for Kota Carabinieri, Howard, QRZ. Mike 0, station Mike 0, go ahead. Okay, Mike 6 Kilo India Oscar, this is India 2 Charlie. Hello Dominic, you're 5 by 8 in northern Italy, 58, you break a big pileup here, back to you. QSL, thank you so much, 73 Dom, bye-bye, this is India 2 Charlie, special call for Kota Carabinieri, our QRZ. Golf 6 Papa, go ahead. Okay, I don't understand the letter.